Ever tried to debug why your MCP server behaves differently in production than in testing, only to realize you're missing critical metadata? We'll use FastMCP's inspection commands to extract detailed server manifests, both in human-readable summaries and machine-friendly JSON formats. You'll see how to generate FastMCP-specific metadata for debugging, then switch to MCP-compliant output to verify exactly what clients will see when they connect.
Hash show text summary. FastMCP inspect server. Hi. Hash output FastMCP JSON to stdout. FastMCP inspect server. High format FastMCP. Hash save MCP JSON to file. Format required with OV. FastMCP inspect server. High format MCP-O manifest JSON.
The FastMCP inspect command implements the introspection pattern, allowing developers to examine server metadata and configuration without execution. This diagnostic tool exposes both human-readable summaries and machine-readable JSON manifests, serving as a bridge between development and deployment phases. What distinguishes this approach is its dual-format output capability, supporting both FastMCP-specific details and standard MCP protocol representations. Conceptually, this works by treating your server as a self-documenting component. The inspection process analyzes the server's structure, tools, prompts, resources, while respecting the separation between framework-specific metadata and protocol-level requirements. The FastMCP format preserves implementation details like tags and annotations, while the MCP format shows exactly what clients will receive over the wire. This dual-view system enables debugging at both the framework and protocol levels without running the server. The practical value lies in streamlining development workflows and ensuring compatibility. During development, you can verify tool schemas and configurations before deployment. For production, the MCP format output serves as a contract validation tool, confirming that your server will behave as expected when integrated with clients. This becomes particularly valuable when working with isolated environments like AI assistants, where runtime debugging is often impossible. The trade-off is minimal. Adding inspection adds no runtime overhead, as it operates purely at the metadata level. Let's break it down line by line.
Hash show text summary. FastMCP inspect server. Hi.
This runs FastMCP inspect in default mode, generating a human-readable summary of the tools and functions in server. Pi. The output shows tool names, parameters, and doc strings, ideal for quick verification during development.
Hash output FastMCP JSON to stdout. FastMCP inspect server. High format FastMCP.
This outputs the FastMCP inspection, results as JSON to stdout, using FastMCP's native schema format. Critical for debugging tool definitions and verifying the AI callable interface matches your implementation.
Hash save MCP JSON to file. Format required with OV. FastMCP inspect server. High format MCP-O manifest JSON.
This exports the MCP manifest to a file, requiring explicit format specification when writing to disk. The format MCP flag ensures the output matches the machine callable protocol schema, while O directs the JSON to manifest JSON instead of stdout. This pattern guarantees consistent, versioned manifest files for deployment and tooling integration. FastMCP introspection pattern. The inspect command bridges development and deployment by exposing server metadata in both human-readable and machine-consumable formats, with format controlling the output schema's fidelity to either FastMCP's extended protocol or the standard MCP specification. Output format and output file flags are mutually dependent omitting. Format with O produces a silent failure rather than an explicit error. Always verify your manifest schema version matches your client's expectations before deployment.
The server that reveals its configuration becomes both the map and the territory.